Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. We need to create another slide. In this slide, we are just going to use a simple picture and a text box here. Sometimes in your slide, you need something like this. We are going to use this font. We have the wedding signature. We paste it here. We are going to use two fonts, one for the texture. For example, here we write Leonardo da Vinci. If I write it right, okay, it's good. After that, we increase it in size. Then we bold it, not italic, bold it. Put it here as the signature of the text, and I just simply copy this text and put it here. This is a quote, for example, from Leonardo da Vinci, and I use a black text. But you may be asked, that text is not visible. For that, I just simply going to copy this picture, send it to back, and from this picture I'm going to format this picture and go to picture correction and make a brightness a little lower, just a little bit, then I'm going to crop the picture to here. Then everything is fixed. I need to make it white and this thing white. We are going to use a quote, not a long sentence. Okay, this slide also created. If you need anything, just ask me in the comment. I will answer you. Until the next episode, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice